Welcome to the video. My name is Darren. This is Macro Adventures, and for those people who don't know, I make everyday van life videos, or videos about everyday van life, I should say, without any of the fluff or Insta stuff. Okay, I'm leaving that error in, just so you know it's real. I've got out there, I'll show you this in more detail in a moment, my sun tarp there. Not doing a great job because it's not in the correct place, but there you go. Anyway, get this video off by trying to recreate the chili that I didn't show you in the last video. I want to try and perfect it, and this time using all of the ingredients to hand. So let's get started chopping and peeling. Okay, so onions, tomatoes all chopped. I'm going to get started with frying those off. I like them to get them the onions sweated down quite a lot, and the tomatoes will become the sauce. And yeah, we'll get started with that first of all. So we've got the corn in there now, the last of the corn that was in my freezer box. I'm going to fry all that down before I start adding the rest of the ingredients. So I've added a generous few twists of black pepper already. I want to go in with the chili explosion if I can find it. Oh yeah, it's chili explosion. Now, despite its name, it's not quite as explosive as you would think. But I'm going to put quite a bit of this in if I can. The grinder's not very good, so you have to be giving it, but for now that will do. Mix all that in. I think we're just about ready for the tomatoes. Cutting the grass. Ahead of an event they've got coming up this weekend, which is a charity event to raise money for the local swimming pool. So I'll let all that cook down a bit before I do anything else. I do like to add a little bit of water to that to give the tomato something to kind of make the sauce with, so a little bit in there. So in there I've added some of the passata, okay, to help the sauce along, and I'm going to add some of the kidney beans that I missed last time. I'm not going to put this whole tin in because, so I've added about probably half a tin of kidney beans along with passata now. Mix all that in, let it all kind of boil up together, and yeah, bring it back in a bit. Okay, so I've added quite a generous squirt of chili, extra hot chili, and a little bit of garlic. I know, garlic and chili and whatnot don't really go together, but I like it. And I'm looking for my other hot chili powder. So I'm going to give it a generous dose of that now. I'm going to mix it all in, but I need 2 hands for that. Okay, last thing to add, a little bit of spinach. Just a little bit at a time, because the pan has already overflowed. So I've got quite a clean up job to do. Push it in. The mushroom's already in, I don't know if you saw me put those in. And let them spicy. Yeah, quite a big clean-up job to do. And that is the last thing to put in. Nothing else is going in there now, apart from a fork. course it's quite runny. So I want it to kind of, is it render down, simmer down? I don't know. I'm no cook. I make it up as I go along. As they say, is that num num. I also have 2 other portions ready to go in the fridge. As soon as they've cooled down, they're outside at the moment, cooling down, and then I'll put them in the fridge, ready for another day.